Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing and usage of this MagEase Wireless Charger. This is sent to us to be reviewed, so let's start opening this package. Tiny package or box, so let's open this. So you can see it's really small. Power brick is not included. So yeah, let's open this. Nothing much, just a wireless magnetic charger that has a user manual. And let's see, so this is the wireless charger. It's magnetic and has this mainly is a USB-C wire, but you have this conversion to USB-A so that you can use it in your charger like this, the USB-A, or this Type-C. Right, let's try this. Oh, this Type-C that I have is USB-C 30 watt from Apple MacBook Air. The max power that it can give is 15 watts. So let's try this one. Okay. So up here, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this have the magnetic part in the middle or in the icon of Apple. So this one will stick stronger. Yeah, it's charging. Oh, let's just see. Take this camera closer. Oh, you cannot see it, but anyway, it's charging. So the magnetic part is on this side. Yeah, you can use it this way. When you're charging, you can use your phone. The only thing here is this cable is short. We have around 3 feet only, and it can also be used with the iPhone 11, but it's not that strong when it comes to sticking at the back. But still, the magnet still works. You can see it's still sliding. And with my Note 10, also charge. I don't know why it says 2 hours before fully charged at 50%. So it's not doing the fast charge. I will try to use the 30 watt power brick. And let's see. Alright. Yeah, it's still sliding. It's taking a little bit, but it's not as strong when you're using it with your iPhone 15, 13, 14 and 15 with a dedicated magnet at the back. But this one, Note 10, still charging, and yeah, it says here 1 hour fast wireless charging. So it will depend on your power bricks. So I have here my 30 watt MacBook charger, so it will work. And yeah, this is only 17 or 18 Canadian dollars, and there's a discount, so it will become 13 Canadian dollars. So you can buy it in Amazon. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.